This is the Kale Kilit 164 GNC. It's got a Yale style, pretty nasty keyway in it. There's no holes in the warding, so you got to work around it. Makes it difficult with high lift pins. All right. Nasty keyway. So you got to get your pick in there and roll it up around that warding and pick it like that. That first one was almost a no lift. I probably ended up tapping it a little bit, so I guess it was a min lift, but try not to overset. I probably should have used some different picks. These Jimmy Longs are kind of thick on the base of that shank, but it worked. Now the C clip. Sometimes I hate these things. Or sometimes they hate me. I think the feeling's mutual either way. I don't know if I need to shim it, but it won't hurt. Probably be fine to not shim it, but it only takes a second. So 6 pins. Well, one was a min lift, and the back ones were max lifts, or close to it anyway. Yeah, so you gotta, there's no holes in that mortise at all. You gotta just get the pick in there and kind of roll it up in there. So we got standard. I know there were some spools in here. Yeah, there was a spool. Looks like they're going to be alternating. Standard spool, standard spool, standard spool. All right, so that is the Kale Kilit 164 GNC.